Paano ba talaga ang kitaan dyan sa IMG? Benta-benta ba yan? Kuha-kuha ng mga tao? Para kang ahente? A big capital N-O. No! IMG is beyond all of those haka-haka. Opinion of those people who don't really understand who is and what is IMG is all about. Paano ba ang step-by-step process on how to make money in IMG? IMG is in the financial distribution business. Bakit distribution business? Ito kasi ang mga madaming partner companies ng IMG na nasa financial industry. Mga kumpanya na kung saan kailangan ng isang tao to address his or her financial concerns. The first step that you need to do if you want to make money in IMG business is join plus own Kaiser Saving Program or Most 18 plus share. Assuming you already enroll in IMG, you have an access to your portal like this, and you have started your Kaiser Saving Program and already access your Kaiser OPMS katulad din ito. Meaning, you now can start to share the mission of IMG or do the IMG business, which is to spread financial education. Paano? Ito po ang powerful tool, this book. Napakalaking tulong ng librong ito sa akin. Oh, by the way, you can have a free copy of this book sa description box below. Very important na nabasa at naintindihan mo kung ano ang nasa loob ng librong ito. Bakit? Kasi this book at ang sariling experience mo on how you execute your proper investing ang gagamitin mo to educate people. Take note that if you want to make money in IMG, you have to abide the policy or system of doing it. Katulad lang yan sa pag-franchise, for example, ng McDo. Hindi mo kailangang mag-reinvent ng system. Kasi yun actually ang binayaran mo sa franchise fee, the system. So same with IMG. Meron na tayong nakaset up na business system, ang tawag ay Wealth Creation System. Mabilis ba ang kitaan dyan sa IMG business? Depende sa'yo. It's all up to you. Kasi if you follow the system, if you submit yourself to the system, then it is possible. Pero kung may sarili kang diskarte, dun na mahihirapan. Malawak at unlimited ang potential income mo sa IMG business. Sa sobrang daming mga affiliated companies ng IMG, depende doon sa need nung na-educate mo na tao kasi sila yung magdi-decide. Alin ba sa mga kumpanyang ito ang kailangan niya para sa kanyang financial planning. Halimbawa, yung taong yon, kailangan niya ng 3-in-1. So, meron tayong may offer na Kaiser. Kung halimbawa, gusto niyang taasan ang life insurance niya, so meron naman tayong Most 18. Kung kukuha ng real estate, meron tayong referral income for that. Kung non-life insurance, meron din. Kung halimbawa gustong mag-invest sa Memorial Lot, meron din tayong Haven of Infinity. Yung ibang mga affiliated companies natin, discount yung maaari nilang makuha. And because in IMG, we focus on educating people on these 3 important financial blocks of building a solid financial foundation, which are insurance, healthcare, and investment. Ngayon, sino ba sa mga kapartner ng IMG ang maaaring makapag-provide nito? Hindi ba't ang Kaiser International Health Group? Once you are an associate of IMG, meaning IMG member ka plus may Kaiser Saving Program ka, then you are entitled for a 20% business income. And afterwards, you can qualify para magiging 37%, then 47% ang maaari mong ma-earn from Kaiser and Most 18. Hanggang dyan na lang ba? No. Sabi ko nga kanina, sky's the limit. Nasasabi ko yan dahil yan ang nangyayari sa akin after doing this productively for almost 5 years. IMG business kasi is a very predictable and systematized way of creating wealth for your family. Bakit? Kasi ito yung mga ways on how you can create wealth for your family doing the IMG business. Number 1, income from your own personal effort.
For every person you personally help start his or her personal financial strategy, you will earn about 2,000 to 10,000 depende doon sa saving program, Kaiser, Most 18 na maaari nilang kunin. Kung halimbawang Kaiser yung mapiling saving program noong tao kasi kailangan niya talaga ng 3-in-1, then pinakamababang plan na maaaring i-avail is 2,647 per month. Kung halimbawa kaya yung K1M, 'di ba? Or K1 million, then why not? Ito yung magiging income potential mo. Depende sa rate. Kung halimbawang associate ka na or na-promote ka na, then syempre, mas mataas yun. So, depende. Sa Kaiser pa lang yan. O how about doon sa Most 18 naman? Now, take note lang, to make sure na nakapag-take ka na ng exam sa Insurance Commission at naipasa mo ito para pwede ka nang makapag-offer din ng MB Life Most 18. Number 2, management income. By training people sa organization mo. Income from people working with you. Iba ito doon sa commission pa. Kasi we are in the building business. We build people. We build people's minds, di ba? And of course, number 3, royalty income. Or ito yung tinatawag na generation override. A very powerful source of passive income. Ganito yan. Katulad ng mga nag-franchise ng Jollibee, Starbucks, di ba? So, dito sa IMG, you are building this business. Kaya, if you help people to become SMD, it's like one franchise. Dahil siya, 47% na, ikaw na tumutulong sa kanya, may overrides ka hanggang 6th level deep. Number 4, renewal commissions. Continuing commissions generated from the businesses you personally written even in the event of retirement or death. Ito yung kaigihan with IMG. Number 5, SMD renewal royalty income from the businesses written by the associates, yung mga business associates under sa organization mo. And then number 6, continuing co-ownership of your team. The opportunity to continue to share in the future overrides of your business even in the event of disability or death. Ang bonus nito, dahil this is a real business, you can pass this on to your children. Maipapamana. Kaya nga, kung halimbawa, malaki na yung IMG business mo, whatever income na tinatanggap mo doon sa iyong business income na na-build na, tapos may nangyaring masama sa'yo, maipapamana mo yung business income na yon sa iyong family. Diba? And number 7, EMD bonus pool. Number 8, CEO bonus pool. Number 9, match-up commissions. May kakilala ka na nasa ibang lugar, malayo sa'yo, pero dahil may mga financial educators tayo na sa iba't ibang lugar, pwede siya ang mag-educate nung kakilala mo, then hati kayo. Diba? Mas maigi na may 50% of something ka kesa 100% of nothing. Number 10, global expansion overrides. Number 11, national and international referral system kasi nga, maaari kang makakapag-refer sa iba't ibang lugar. And then number 12, branch office subsidy based on total production. So dito sa IMG, dahil nga business ito, you can put up your own IMG branch office. So, doon pa lang, di ba, para kang nag-franchise, so meaning, kikita ka rin doon sa pag-create or pag-open mo ng sarili mong IMG office. So, lahat ng mga nabanggit ko sa inyo ay regarding sa IMG business. Those are the ways on how you can make money sa IMG business. These are the facts and figures, but this won't make you money if you forget the core mission of IMG, which is to educate people. Ano ba ang motivation mo? Why you want to do this? Dahil IMG business is not for everyone. Hindi para sa lahat ito. You have to commit to become an eternal student of this business. So, kailangan committed ka na matuto palagi.
In IMG, you have to see yourself as a business person.
If you want to grow in this business, then you have to believe and follow the wealth creation system. At first, you will be excited. Normal yan, pero napaka-temporary kasi noong excitement. Lalo na if you don't get what you want, kaya make sure na yung excitement mo magiging commitment, di ba? You have to commit yourself to your own goal. Bakit mo gagawin itong IMG business?
Ayokong mag-IMG business dahil nahihiya akong mag-share, hindi ako marunong, hindi kasi ako salespeople, hindi ako salesperson, bla bla bla, ang busy ko, ang dami, pero gusto mong kumita, pero ayaw namang matuto kung paano. Then, ang worst scenario para sa'yo, kikita ka pa rin. Bakit?
Kasi, kung may Kaiser 3-in-1 saving program ka naman, pagdating ng maturity niyan, investment yan eh. Kung may most 18 ka at nagtatap up ka sa iyong PDF, may investment income rin yan, withdrawable pa anytime without charges. Kung nag-i-invest ka sa mutual fund, ito yung mga leading mutual fund companies dito sa Pilipinas, kahit isa or dalawa sa mga mutual fund for long-term goal mo, investment income yan. Kasi nga, di ba, may capital gain ka dyan. Now, kung meron ka ding stock market investing using MyTrade online platform, why not, di ba? O kung nagbili ka ng unit mo, condo, then yung nabili mong unit, paparentahan mo in the future, then magkakaroon ka ng rental income. Kung ibebenta mo, may capital gain ka pa doon. Ito, nag-invest ka ng memorial lot. Invest meaning ibibenta mo. Same doon sa condo. Aba, investment income rin yan. Yan sa sarili mo pa lang na mga investment na kinuha mo within sa IMG.
Meaning, kung nag-execute ka ng iyong financial plans within sa IMG, even without doing the IMG business, you will still earn an investment income. Kasi nga, the investments, the saving programs that you do, at the end, kikita yun eh. Walang income kung wala ka talagang ginawa. Ibig sabihin, ni wala kang saving program, ni wala kang mutual fund investment, or kahit man lang share mo yung financial advocacy, teaching financial literacy sa ibang tao.
Then of course, meron ding mga rewards, di ba? Ang IMG very generous kasi maraming binibigay na rewards, gifts sa kanyang mga business partners katulad mo. So, merong mga free travel, free watch, may pins, may ring, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pagka nagkaroon ka na ng ring, ito ay recognition na nagkaroon ka na ng at least 1 million na cash flow kasi ginagawa mo nga ng maigi yung IMG business mo. Then, ito pa, may free na health card kasi kahit pre-existing illness, covered na nito. Then, meron ding pakotse. So, talaga naman, if you will stay and build this IMG business for the long term, then talagang lahat ng mga rewards na ito ay maaari mong makuha.
You have two ways to start in IMG. First, learn everything before you start and wait for a miracle. Ang pangalawa, be coachable and follow the steps or the wealth creation system.
No boundaries ang IMG. Why? Because of our online dominate tool system. You can educate people around the globe. Make them execute via online using your own affiliate link or code. The beauty of IMG, meron tayong powerful dominate online tool. Ito yung nasa loob, mga materials that you need para kahit online or malayo ay ma-share, ma-deliver ang mission which is to educate people kasi may access sila dito sa ating online portal.
At dahil nga IMG is a real business, that's why meron po tayong renewal fee, accreditation na 1,500 pesos every end of the year para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga benefits. Covered ka pa rin ang lahat ng mga benefits that includes the business income when you do the IMG mission.
May kaibahan ba ang mga traditional financial advisors with IMG financial educators or entrepreneurs? Marami. Halimbawa, number 1, quota. Walang quota sa IMG. Sa traditional, kasi if you can't hit the quota, then out ka. Dahil ang IMG, business mo ito eh. Number 2, captured agent. Most of them are agents of only one company. So, very limited on one product line. Life insurance, for example. What if yung clients or nung tao, ang gusto niya is healthcare, real estate, mutual funds, stock market, non-life insurance, or iba pang mga financial services, hindi maaaring, di ba, makapagbigay ng total financial solution kung isa lang ang maaaring mai-offer. But with IMG, hindi captured dahil maraming pwedeng pagpilian yung tao. So, meron siyang mga choices, di ba? So, may freedom of choice ang tao kapag ka nasa IMG. And of course, number 3, promotion ceiling. Sa traditional, you cannot replace your head or manager. But tayo sa IMG, as financial educator, di ba, pwede nating isurpass yung nag-sponsor sa atin. Sky's the limit yung promotion natin sa IMG. Kung halimbawa, mas magaling ka mag-build ng business mo sa IMG, then pwede mong lagpasan pa yung nagtulong or nag-mentor sa'yo. And number 4, ownership. Sa kabila, if you leave your company, yung mga client na natulungan mo, lahat na na-build mo, ay ibabalik yun sa kumpanya. Pero sa IMG Business System, meron tayong tinatawag na vesting rights. Our position, our business, our income will be inherited by our family. Diba? Kung halimbawang may nangyaring masama. Dahil nga, meron tayo nitong tinatawag na vesting right.
I hope you find this video informative. If you do, kindly share this video to your families and friends para sila din ma-aware on how to make money in IMG.